Hello, friends. Many people lose access to their Gmail account when they forget the password or lose their phone number and recovery email. This can be very stressful because Gmail is connected to all of your important apps and accounts. But don't worry. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how you can recover your Gmail account without using a phone number or recovery email. The process is simple, but you need to follow each step carefully. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. First, long press on the Stay browser. Tap on App Info. Now go to Browser App and select Stay Browser. Go back to the home screen. Open your phone settings. Scroll down and select Google. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Help. In the search bar, type Unlock. Now select Unlock your Android device to verify it's you. Tap on Verify it's you. Scroll down and click on You can't use your device. Then tap on Follow these steps. Scroll down and select Learn how to add two-step verification to your account. Again, scroll down and tap on Contact your administrator for help. Keep scrolling and click on Can't sign in to Google account. Now select you have trouble with two-step verification. Then choose your phone is lost or you can't use it. Scroll down and tap on Recover your account. Now click on Recover your Google account. You will land here. Now enter the Gmail address which you want to recover. Now tap on Next button. Select Try another way. Tap on Yes, it's me. Now click on Update Password and set a new strong password for your account. Save your password. Confirm by changing the password. Finally, scroll down and tap Continue. That's it. Your Gmail account has been successfully recovered without using a phone number or recovery email. That's how you can recover your Gmail account without using a phone number or recovery email. I hope this video helped you. If you found it useful, make sure to like the video and share it with others. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.